You sleep 8 hours, maybe even more. But you still wake up tired, unmotivated, and drained. So what's going on? Is something wrong with you? Or is there something no one is telling you? Let me guess. You wake up, grab your phone immediately, scroll through social media, rush through your morning. By noon, you already feel exhausted. And by the end of the day, you feel like you did nothing, but somehow you're still tired. Here's the truth. It's not that you need more sleep. It's that your energy is being destroyed every single day. 1. Your brain is overstimulated. From the moment you wake up, you flood your brain with dopamine, social media, notifications, short videos. Your brain never gets real rest. So even if your body sleeps, your mind stays tired. 2. You have no morning control. If your morning starts with chaos, your whole day feels chaotic. No structure equals no energy. Successful people don't wake up and react, they wake up and take control. 3. You're mentally drained, not physically. You're not tired because of work, you're tired because of overthinking. Constant stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts are silently draining your energy. 4. Your lifestyle is killing your energy. Bad food, no movement, too much screen time. Your body isn't designed for this kind of life. Here's how to fix it. Stop using your phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Get sunlight early in the morning. Move your body, even for 10 minutes. Drink water before coffee. And most importantly, control your thoughts, because energy isn't just physical. It's mental. You don't need more sleep. You need a better system. Fix your habits, and your energy will fix itself. Because the truth is, you're not tired of life. You're tired of the way you're living it.